Hi guys, so this is my recipe for fresh tomato onion salad, and it's something I make really quick at home. So I've got some fresh herbs, which is some mint, some parsley, some coriander leaves, some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I've got in some onions, some lime or lemon juice, and some vinegar and rapeseed oil or olive oil is fine as well to use, and some honey as well to give it a bit of sweetness for the dressing. So I've used some herbs from my garden, so anything you can get hold of is fine. I've chopped the tomatoes up in slices this time, so you can dice them, but I love doing it in slices. I find that the juice just kind of clings onto the dressing and it's really lovely and fresh like this way. So I've chopped all the herbs up as finely as I can. I've sliced all the onions, or you can finely dice the onions, and I've chopped up some lime as well to garnish, or lemon wedges is fine to garnish your salad once it's done. So first of all, to start with, I do the dressing, so I've added in some honey. So with honey, you mix in your rapeseed oil, or I would say olive oil is fine. I say use either rapeseed or olive oil, as they're not overpowering too strong. And then I've got some cider vinegar, so I've got cider vinegar at home. If you have any other type of vinegar, I think this one kind of goes nicely. You can also use a bit of balsamic, which would be great. That's a nice vinegar to use as well. Or some red wine vinegar or white wine vinegar works really well with this. So go with one of those kind of flavours and just give it all a little mix together with the honey until it kind of all melts together. And so that's the dressing ready. So all you have to do is assemble your salad. So in a bowl, you mix in all your tomatoes, your herbs, and your onion slices as well. Just break them all up as you go. I love having raw onion in salads. It gives it a bit of a crunch, and it also, with the vinegar, it pickles the onions as well, so it gives it a really nice flavour. So it's not completely raw onion. It's got a lovely little tang to it. So I've added all those in and just kind of mix it all well together, just gently, so you don't break up too much of those lovely tomatoes that you've sliced. So with the dressing, just kind of drizzle over the dressing. So I just kind of pour it over nicely like that. So you want to do the dressing just before you serve the dish, so don't leave it too late. So just before you serve it is great, and then eat it immediately after, so it doesn't kind of go soggy or anything like that. I've added some extra chili flakes, of course, or freshly chopped chili would be great as well in this salad to give it a nice